Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, we will going to tell you how to make a pancake and chocolate biscuit milkshake. Before that, we will going to introduce ourselves first.
Hi guys, my name is Eliza and my number presentation is 10.
Hey guys, my name is Fajri and my number is 12.
Hi guys, my name is Karima and my number presentation is 17.
Hi guys, my name is Nabil my number is 21.
Hi guys, my name is Thomas Andri Nugroho and my number presentation is 27.
And let's go!
Hi guys, now we are in supermarket. We will to buy some ingredients to make a pancake and milkshake.
Hey guys, I will tell you about the ingredients. First, we need 215 grams of flour and 15 grams baking powder and butter and 1 piece of cheese and 1 maple syrup, 2 eggs and 1 liter of water. And the last, we need 100 of sugar.
Hi guys, next I will tell you about the tools to make a pancake. First, we need a frying pan. Next, we need a large spoon. Then, we need a tablespoon. Then we need a teaspoon and we need a spatula, and the last we need a shredder. Okay.
Let's make the pancake. First, pour the flour and baking powder into a bowl. And mix that. Next, crack the eggs. Mix again.
Cool.
Next, pour the water and sugar. And mix. Next, heat the frying pan with the butter for 2 minutes at low flame. Pour 1 large spoon of the batter in the frying pan. Cook with low heat until the bubble break on surface. After done, take it to the plate.
That you can serve with maple syrup and cheese. First, I will pour the maple syrup. And after that, I will grate the cheese. After that, you can enjoy it. Now, I will tell you about the ingredients to make milkshake. First, chocolate biscuit and fresh milk, creamer milk, water, and ice cup. The tool is blender, spoon, glass, and straw.
Now I will make the milkshake. Let's start. First, you must pour the water. Actually, if it's enough, and it's enough. Next, you pour. I think it's all the milk. Oh, not all. Next, you pour the creamer milk. Yes, creamer milk. This takes a long time. Next, you must mash the chocolate biscuit. After that, put the ice cup. And cover it. And And turn off. It's done. And pour it into the glass. And take this straw, and the milkshake is done.